belly.
Stay. Stop it.
Yeah, there we go. That's it. Probably with a song or something over there. Very good.
So that was it. That was it.
That's it, guys.
Hold on to it.
That was it.
Oh yeah, it was cool. We had a fireworks show at Hobbies. So I might as well take you inside and show you the dirt. Hey, what was that? All of the dirt is inside. It's dark. Can't see. Let's see if we get fireworks show. Seems like I had fireworks and burritos ever since I've been here. You can see the wall is up. What was that? Why is he barking? Don't make him bark. This is all dirt into a pile. You can see. Great job. Getting done, still have some more to go. The walls in. Show you a really cool spot. Wall. Very cool. Cody and Lance have been knocking this out. Putting the caps on, cementing everything in. This is what I like, a little viewing area. It's not done yet. I think we should have roller skate girls deliver food and have little drinks up here. You can see, let's see if I get a better spot over here. Let's see how far it is. There's the dirt. Waiting to be done. Dang it. And I got this wall done completely. I have this extra space. This is like overflow pits. This will all be moved to the hobby shop. This will be like an overflow. Let's take you around. Hobby shop is getting finished. There's 2 rooms. That's it for today. We're getting there little by little. Cody in the house. Crazy dog out here. You can see him. What was he barking at? You're choking him, dude. You're choking him.
How do I let go of these things? How do I let go?
You gotta push it down.
Oh, shoot.
And release it.
I can't. Here.
Really? Jaime, can you hold my dog? Hold my dog, dude. Can you hold him?
I won't do it.
Can you hold it?
No, dude.
Hold my dog.
There you go.
You alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, bub. Wait a minute, we get you on video. Dude, you got me all wrapped up, really? Alright, say hi.
Come here. Let's go. Come on.
Lisa in the house. Hi, Lisa. NorCal Hobbies. This is your preview for the day. Good job, everybody. Oh God. What the hell? Can you not hold that dog?
Yeah.
Whoa! Give it. Ow, you're biting me! Really? You want some of me? You want some of this?
Go get him! Go get him!
You want some of this?
Go get him!
What are you doing? Good boy.
Right there, go get him! There you go. Go get him!
Good boy. Wow, he closed the camera. Wow, that was pretty good. Alright. We're out of here. Really, dude? You're hot. Fireworks, burritos, and dirt. And on road eventually. We swept the whole floor today. All the dirt is gone now. It did fill the whole parking lot. It's now gone. See it? And swept.